In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the Allow Microphone Access option is missing from apps on your iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Privacy and Security. On this page, just scroll down and you will find the option for microphone. And over here, you will find a list of the apps which use the microphone of your iPad. Now from the list of the app, just enable the toggle for the app to which you want to give the access to the microphone. Now for an example, if you're unable to find your preferred app over here, then just go to your home screen and open the app to which you want to give the access to the microphone. For an example, let's say if it is the YouTube app, now just go to the app and open the section where it requires the access to the microphone. As you can see, it is asking us for the permission to use the microphone. You can select Allow. But for an example, if you have gone to this section and if it did not ask for the permission to the microphone, then just go back to the settings and under the microphone section in privacy and security, you will find your preferred app. And if this toggle is disabled, just turn it on. And also there is another method to give the microphone access to your preferred app. For that, in the main settings page, just tap on apps and from this app list, just look for the app to which you want to give them access to the microphone. Now in our case, it is YouTube. Just select YouTube and as you can see, this is the toggle for the microphone. Now you can either disable or enable the access to the microphone from here. Now if you have tried both of these methods and if none of these worked, then just follow the next method. But for that, you will require the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password, then under the main settings page, just tap on screen time. Now under the screen time settings, just tap on content and privacy restrictions. And if this toggle is disabled, you can skip this step. But if this toggle is enabled, then just scroll down. Now under privacy, just look for the option for microphone. Now if it is on don't allow changes, just select allow changes and make sure you give the YouTube app or your preferred app the access to the microphone. Or you can just go back to the content and privacy restrictions. And over here, just disable content and privacy restrictions. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental control settings from your iPad. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just look for the app to which you want to give the access to the microphone and delete that app from your iPad. Now just tap and hold on the app and select options, then tap on remove app. Now just select delete app and select delete. After you delete that specific app, then just go to the App Store and in the search bar, just search the name of the app which we have deleted. Now just select the app and reinstall it on your iPad. And after that, just tap on open and go to the section where it requires the access to the microphone. Now just select allow and after you do that, you will give the selected app the access to the microphone. Now if you have done that and if this also did not work, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings and under settings, just tap on general. Now just tap on software update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then just go back to the general settings. And over here, just tap on transfer or reset iPad. Then tap on reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix if the Allow Microphone Access option is missing from apps on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.